Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. I'm Dr. Sanana Rahman and today we're going to talk about the human brain. The human brain has been a source of fascination since the early times. Everyone has been fascinated by what and how runs the human brain. The human brain is made up of neurons, the brain cells, which help connect the brain to the rest of the body and help to conduct all the functions that are a part of the brain and from which the brain is recognized throughout the humankind. There are various important scientists that help in the development and understanding of the brain. Today we're going to talk about the embryological origins of the brain itself. This presentation has been divided into 5 sections. The first section will be dealing with the brain flexures. There are 3 important brain flexures which arrange themselves in such a position that the adult brain and the spinal cord are formed. So we'll see how these flexures twist upon themselves to form the adult picture. In the second section, we'll talk about the ventricular system. Ventricular system is a central system of canals within the brain matter through which the cerebrospinal fluid flows. We'll see how that is formed and how the fluid flows through it. Then in the third section, we'll talk about the hindbrain. The hindbrain is the last or the previous most portion of the brain. We'll see how it forms, what are the embryological sources, and what are its adult functions. Then we'll talk about the midbrain. Developmentally, the midbrain is the primitive most portion of the brain. We'll see how it develops, from what sources, and what is the clinical importance of it. And finally, in the 5th section, we'll talk about the forebrain, that is front of the brain. It consists of the cerebral hemispheres and the portion that is adjacent to the midbrain. We'll see the sources which give rise to this forebrain, and we'll talk about the developmental process as well as the function of these sources in adults. So I hope you're excited about today's lecture. For further such lectures, keep watching sqadia.com.